Yo, it's Chriso, the tiler. I've been a professional for 35 years and this is what I'm doing at the moment. If you are watching my last video, I was showing everyone how I cut these round holes in the tile. This is a very hard tile. So it's a little bit tricky to cut, but that cut there, that is in the cistern for the toilet. The cistern goes there over the top, and yeah, it's all cool. So we're shooting up this wall now. It's a little bit this tile is a little bit slower than the white ones that are pretty common in Australia. But these are like a better quality. They're tougher, they're stronger. They're a true porcelain. The white ones are cut ceramic. They're a good tile though, but these are the real true blue. I always use a 12mm notchy. On my walls and floor. I've got to work out something here because that's stupid going up there with a small cut. You go from there to your architrave. So it's happened before over the years. I've just noticed a line that I could make a little bit tighter. Beauty. Good one. All the time, even when you've done the wall, you look at it and just check your lines. I could adjust that just slightly. That's good. Bring that over just a little. Always when you come back to something, you can sometimes see, oh yeah, I could give that a little bit of a shimmy over. Anyway, carry on. The people that I'm doing this tiling for, this is their first house that they've just bought it. They're doing it up. They're going to live in it for a while and then move on to another one. Hopefully make a, oh well, hopefully it'll go up in price, and they can move on to another one. Have this as a rental. That's their goal. Same principle all the time. I will probably be using a misty grey, the grout in here. That'll go nicely with these tiles. A couple of jobs ago, the tile was pretty similar. Alright people, we'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, poke the subscribe button. We'll see you. Bye.